Imagine you're on a football field. A ball is flying towards you fast. In a split second, your brain, eyes, and muscles work in perfect harmony to make the catch. This is your nervous system, a biological internet connecting every part of you, controlling everything from complex thoughts to the subconscious beat of your heart. This network has two main divisions. The central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord, is the command center, the mainframe. Branching from it is the peripheral nervous system, all the cables carrying messages to and from that mainframe. These messages travel along specialized cells called neurons. A neuron's axon, its transmitter cable, is often wrapped in a fatty myelin sheath. This acts like the plastic insulation on a wire, preventing the signal from leaking and making it travel up to 100 times faster. But neurons don't actually touch. They're separated by a microscopic gap called a synapse. An electrical signal can't jump this gap, so it triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. Think of it like a car reaching a river. It can't drive across, so it boards a ferry, the neurotransmitter, to get to the other side, where it starts driving again. This system is built for speed, especially in an emergency. If you touch a boiling stove, the message doesn't waste time going to the brain for a decision. Instead, a reflex arc in your spinal cord takes over, instantly sending a command, pull away. You've already moved your hand before your brain even registers the pain. It's a life-saving shortcut, an override built right into your wiring. From catching a ball to surviving a burn, it's all silently coordinated by this lightning-fast network.